Hello, and welcome to this guided practice for working with difficult emotions. This meditation is based on the RAIN practice, a powerful tool for bringing mindfulness and compassion to challenging feelings. RAIN is an acronym that stands for Recognize, Allow, Investigate, and Nurture. For the next few minutes, simply allow my voice to guide you as we turn inward with kindness and curiosity. Find a comfortable and dignified posture, either sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or lying down. If it feels right for you, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze towards the floor. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly with each inhale and exhale. You don't need to change your breathing in any way. Just observe its natural rhythm. With each out-breath, see if you can let go a little bit of tension. Now, I invite you to bring to mind a situation in your life that is currently causing you some difficulty. Nothing overwhelming, perhaps a mild frustration, a flicker of anxiety, or a sense of disappointment. Something that you can work with. A 3 or 4 on a scale of 10. As you hold the situation gently in your mind, let's begin the practice of RAIN. The first step is simply to recognize what is happening inside you. Without judgment, just notice what emotion is present. Silently, you might name it to yourself. For instance, this is anxiety, or I'm feeling irritation, or there's a sadness here. You don't need to get lost in the story behind the feeling. Just acknowledge its presence. If you notice a tightening in your chest or a knot in your stomach, you can simply recognize, this is what anxiety feels like in my body right now. This moment is to simply recognize what is here. The next step is to allow this experience to be here, just as it is. This can be the most challenging part, as our instinct is often to push away discomfort. Allowing doesn't mean you like the feeling or that you approve of it. It's a gentle whisper of yes to the present moment, an acknowledgement that this feeling is already here. You might say to yourself, this is part of my experience right now, or I can let this be here. Imagine you're creating a vast, open space with you for this emotion to simply exist without resistance. With each breath, see if you can soften around the edges of this feeling. Now, with a sense of gentle curiosity, we move to investigate. This is not about analyzing why you feel this way, but rather exploring the direct, physical experience of the emotion. You might ask yourself, where do I feel this emotion most strongly in my body? Is it in your jaw, your shoulders, your stomach? What are the physical sensations? Is it a sense of heat, coolness, tingling, pressure, or hollowness? Does this feeling have a size or a shape? Is it constant, or does it change? Perhaps in waves. Approach this investigation like a kind scientist, simply gathering information without judgment. If your mind wanders into a story, gently guide it back to the physical sensations in your body. For example, if you are working with anger, you might notice a clenched jaw and heat in your face. If it's sadness, you might feel a heaviness in your chest. Just notice. And finally, we come to nurture. This is the act of offering yourself self-compassion. Ask yourself, what does this hurting place inside me need right now? Perhaps it needs a sense of safety, acceptance, or love. Or you can offer a gesture of kindness to yourself, such as placing a hand gently over your heart or on your cheek. Feel the warmth of your hand. You might also offer yourself some kind, reassuring words. You could whisper silently to yourself, "May I be kind to myself? It's okay to feel this way. I'm here for you." Imagine what you would say to a dear friend who was feeling this way, and then offer that same warmth and kindness to yourself. As we come to the end of this practice, gently release your focus on the rain steps. Notice the quality of your awareness now. You may feel a shift, or you may not, and either is perfectly okay. The practice is in the gentle turning towards your experience with compassion. Bring your attention back to the sensation of your breath and to the feeling of your body sitting or lying here. When you are ready, you can slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and if your eyes have been closed, you can gently open them. Remember that you can return to the practice of rain anytime you are faced with a difficult emotion. It is a gift of kindness you can always offer yourself.